The next item on our menu is maintenance. There's quite a lot under maintenance, so we'll just go through it step by step. The first item on the list is asset inspections. If your drivers are using the Geotab Drive app to do digital inspections or DVIR, you'll be able to see the results of those inspections in this section of the user interface. I'm going to select all vehicles for the period of July 1st of this year to September 30th of this year. I'll apply changes and we'll see what comes up. It looks like most of the vehicle inspections that were done showed no defects, but in this case we do have one vehicle that does have a repair that is needed. When the mechanic performs the repair, he can show it repaired or not a defect, and he can add notes if needed. Then he or she can save those notes to indicate that the repair has been done. In this case, I am the user, so it will automatically default to me, but you can choose another user off the list. Once I save this, when we go back to the inspection list, it now shows that it's been repaired. The next step, certifying the repair, is handled in the same manner, either by the mechanic or by the driver when he does his next inspection, depending on your company policy.